Alright guys, we are here at Hidden Falls Skate Park, and I don't usually come here because it's kind of far, but this park is super sick. We got a bunch of stair gaps, we got some banks, we got out ledges, regular ledges, and this park just kind of has a whole mix of street obstacles and things like that. So I'm really excited to skate it. Hope you guys have fun with me, and yeah, let's do it. I suck right now because I didn't warm up. Dang it. First we're gonna do the Spider-Mans. I like doing these. You know, really both sides, just as important. I'm already feeling like I can do all the skate tricks that I imagine. Always popping on the helmet just because safety is cool, dude. Nothing wrong with safety. Hey, this is ugly. Alright, we are trying back 50s. This trick is kind of awkward, especially just because like the angle, like you're not just coming in front of it, it's kind of like behind you. So I have to like, I think if I come more to angle and I pop and then I kind of just turn, usually I can just like lock into it and then just like push myself through. But I also kind of have to like lean back and push the board in front of me and kind of like lean and use the momentum to push the board and then like pop out. So I don't know, there's a lot of different things when it comes to back 50s, but we're gonna try get better at them. It's the only way to get better at them. So I got onto it. Alright y'all, we're gonna do back crook. So we're gonna try to get in a nice pinch right here under this wheel and just like drive it in there and just slide it. I learned this trick from the homie, the local Joe, also a YouTuber. Make sure you guys check out his channel. But this is one of those tricks that I want really clean. I want them every time. Just one of those tricks that just look really cool. Back 50, like you have to have both trucks in. So like makes it like really hard. But like having the crook is just that one truck and then you just lean. It makes it really easy. It makes it so much easier. I'm gonna go no slide first. See if I can do some no slides and then work up into trying to just give it a little more angle. There we go. So close. That was so clean too. What? What? I'm not trying to do that. Yeah. Okay, I like that. I'm pretty sure I can do this, but I just want to warm up to it. Like, I don't want to just like try to ollie over it. I want to jump over it a few times, try to like warm up my muscles and like get comfortable when I land. Do it real quick. Like I want to do it, but like I get scared last second, you know. Like I'm ready, but I'm hesitant. Like I want to go, but commit. I'm kind of scared to clear the standing barricade, so we stand it on its side, and I'm gonna try. You gotta work your way up the tricks, you know. You can't just expect to do hard things right away. You gotta practice them, start from the ground, work your way one stair at a time, and eventually you work your way to harder things. So don't hurt yourself. Wear a helmet, wear some pads and stuff. You losers, you're posers, and yeah. Sometimes what it takes to build confidence is just to fail. Like, you see me, I didn't clear it the first time. I had to jump over it a few times. I had to run into it, crash into it. But that's what it takes. It takes practice, it takes failures, and then success. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Nice, dude. You got it. Alright, y'all, so I suck at stairs. It's not so much the drop that I suck at, but more of the speed and the longness of the stairs. So I'm gonna practice on this drop. Should be easier for me. Just gonna try. Alright guys, that's the session. I'm super tired. I'm also super hungry, but I'm slowly getting better. I would like to try harder things in the future, but we'll have to train harder. We'll have to take some more time, but we're getting there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.